Welcome to English in a Minute. Fried fish is a popular food in America and around the world.
Bigger fish to fry.
Are Anna and Jonathan planning to fry some seafood for us? Let's listen.
Aren't you coming to the meeting in the newsroom?
No way. I have bigger fish to fry.
What could be more important than the annual meeting?
My report for the boss?
When is that due?
3 hours ago.
To have bigger fish to fry means that you have something to do that is more important than other things. You don't have time to focus on smaller, less critical issues. Many languages have idioms that express a similar idea. And that's English in a Minute.